Good morning, students. Today we are going to take one more problem of petty cash book under Impress system. Okay, so here's the problem. Enter the following transactions in an analytical petty cash book under Impress system for July 2018. Date, particulars, amount, rupees. Date is what? 2018 July 1. Cash balance 355. Now this cash balance, okay, it is what? It is the amount which you have received on, or the amount which is carried forward for the next month. Okay, so how your petty cash book should look? In the books of dash. Okay, now here the name of the company is not given, or name of the business is not given, so simply write in the books of dash petty cash book. Okay, amount received rupees, date, particulars, voucher number, total amount paid, postage, printing and stationery. Okay, so here these are what? The analysis of petty expenses. Okay, that is postage, printing and stationery, carriage and cartage, repairs and miscellaneous. Now in the previous problem there was what? The columns was courier and postage, traveling and conveyance, printing and stationery, miscellaneous expenses. Okay, there was no repairs, so all the columns of different types. Now how you will find out which column to write? Okay, now first thing you have to just go through the problem essay and see how many expenses are there over here. Okay, now you can see repairs over here, files है मतलब stationery है, stamp है, paper, pencil, stationery, purchase chair for office use. Now मतलब from this you will come to know which are the main categories of expenses, because there are n number of categories. So you can categorize as courier and postage. Okay, you can categorize printing and stationery, you can categorize traveling and conveyance expenses, you can categorize telephone expenses, you can categorize repairs, miscellaneous. ये सारे expenses है. इतने भी expenses बनाए तो भी कुछ problem नहीं, हर एक की category बनाई तो भी कुछ problem नहीं, but make sure there are एटलीस्ट 2-3 एंट्रीज इन वन कैटेगरी. अगर एक भी एंट्री होती है तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन कैटेगरीज बनाना ज़रूरी है. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 कैटेगरीज बनाया और ख़त्म हो गया. नो, यू हैव टू मेक एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 कैटेगरीज. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज मिसलेनियस, सॉरी नेक्स्ट इज मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंसेस, LF एंड लेजर. ओके, सो इतने सारे एक्सपेंसेस हमें. सो let's start with the problem. Cash balance 335. Okay, now this is the balance which we have received. So 2018 July 1 to balance brought down, that is amount received to 3335. Okay, this is the amount which is brought down from the last year, that is of the June month, that is brought down. Okay, उसके बाद July 1 कैश रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम हेड कैशर. ओके, हमें कैश कितना रिसीव हुआ? 2165. सो जुलाई 1 टू कैश अकाउंट, द कैश विच इज रिसीव्ड, दैट इज 2165. ओके, नेक्स्ट गेव गिफ्ट टू क्लार्क ओमकार. ओके, कितना? 251. सो दैट इज ऑन जुलाई 2, that is the amount which is given, so payment. Okay, so 2018 July 2 buy gift to clerk 251. So this we don't have any category, so this will directly go to the miscellaneous column, that is 251. Next is here July 5 paid for registered and speed post. Now registered and speed post मतलब postage, how much? 240. So 5 July 5 by register and speed post 240. So it will go directly in postage column. Okay, then July 6 sold old newspaper 100. Okay, So here they are sold. So July, when you sell the old newspaper, what happens? The amount which you receive, okay, when you by selling, it is a income for you. So it is a receipt. Okay, अगर हम लोगों ने old paper सेल किया तो हमें कुछ तो मिलेगा, right? When sales are done, that means you will receive something. So that is what it is, a receipt for you. So July 6 to sale of old newspaper 100, because amount is received over here. Next, July 7, washing charges paid to peon 170. So by washing charges 170, it will come in miscellaneous column, because there is no column for the peon washing charges which is paid to the peon. Okay. Next, July 10 paid lunch bill to salesman 160. So it is payment. So July 10 by lunch bill 160, it will again go to miscellaneous, because we don't have any category for lunch bill paid. Okay. Next, July 13 gave advance to peon Arun. Okay, so it is payment. So again, July 13 by advance to Arun 500, it will go in the ledger, because here payment is made to a person. Okay, when we do payment to a person, a ledger account is created. Okay, so here it will go directly to the ledger account 500. Next, July 16 paid for carriage and cartage. Okay, so July 16 by carriage and cartage 180, it will go in cartage account 180. Okay, carriage and cartage account. Next, July 19 purchase chair for office use. Okay, so July 19 buy chair 300, it will go in miscellaneous, because we don't have any not miscellaneous, it will go in the ledger. Okay, because it will not come in the categories. Here it is what? It is purchases. So purchases will come in the ledger account, that is your purchase account. Okay. Next, July 22 purchase stamps, pad, paper and pencil. Okay, that is 170. So this is what? Stationery. Okay, so July 22 buy stamp and papers etc. 170 will come in printing and stationery account. Then July 26 purchase office file 100. So by July 26 buy office file 110, not 100, it is 110. So it will come in printing and stationery. And the last one, July 30 paid for repairs of machinery 230. So by repairs July 30 by repairs 230, and it will come in repairs column. Okay, ये हो गया हमारा पूरा. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do the total of all the ledgers and the categories, the expenses and the total column. Okay, so total expenses, here it is 251 plus 240 plus 170, 160, 500, 180, 300, 170, 110, 230. So total is 2311. Now here what we have the total? 2165 plus 100 plus 335. That means our amount received is more than our expenses. Okay, so it will have a balance of the cash. So here हर एक कॉलम का करना है. In postage you have only 240. In printing and stationery 170 plus 110, 280. Cartage 180. Repairs 230. Miscellaneous expenses, it is miscellaneous expenses 251, 170, 160, so 581, and ledger 500 plus 300, it is 800 rupees. Okay, हो गए. Now next is we have to do the totaling of both the side, that is 2600, 2600, because your amount received is more than our expenses. So amount received का total कितना है? 2600. So on July 31st by balance carried down, the amount is 2600 minus 2311 will give you the difference of 289. Now this difference will be carried forward for the next month. Okay, next month का कितना है? 289. Okay, 289 August 1. Okay, the balance brought down कितना है हमारा? Here the balance which is brought down is 289, which is the amount which is brought down, that is August 1 to balance brought down 289. I think this column is the extra which they have put. Okay, this column is not there, it is a mistake in the textbook. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to calculate the amount, and then prepare a petty cash book.